Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Doug from Beyond Territory, and in this episode I'll show you how to paint the Kosargi Nightguard for Soulblight Gravelords or the Cursed City. Okay, for the Kosargi Nightguard I've base coated in white, and now I'm coming in with the first layer of paint. I'm going to use Plague Bearer Flesh for all his flesh and id. For the trousers, I'm coming in with Warp Lightning contrast paint. A bit tricky to get to. Next colour is Corn Red, and that's for all the garments, the main body of his uniform. This colour is Rhinox Hide, and that's for all the leather work, the belts. These straps seem to be hanging off the stuff. Next one, coming in with a light brown for the weapon stock. So the next colour is Contrast Black, and that's for all the cuffs and boots. Next colour, Lead Belcher, that goes for the shoulder pad, wolf's head, keys and the blade. Next colour I'm coming in with is Vulpus Pink. I'm going over the red uniform. I also use Vulpus Pink for the mouth. The first wash is Null Oil. That's for all the black furs. And also for the blade. And the next wash is Agrax Earthshade, and that's for everything really. So the next colour is a little bit Evil Sun Scarlet, and it's going to pick up the edges of the red on the cloth. Pop a little bit. Use a bit of grey, light grey, coming in with the edges. Now coming in with some sterling mud for the base, nice and generous all over. So edged with brown, and now with Aquarex Surf Shade for a wash on top of the sterling mud. Just to finish it off, a couple of sticky duffs. Cool, right, there you go. Managed to finish one of the Kosargi Nightguard. Hope you like this one. Enjoyed to paint something a little bit different, a bit of fun, and building my way through, or working my way through the Cursed City box set. So I look forward to moving on to the next one, seeing how much more I can get done. All right, hope you like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Take care.